Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to control buttons on your headphones SONY WI-C310. You can play a song by using power button in the middle. Just press one time. You can pause also with using power button and pressing one time. Cool. Now you can increase volume by using a volume up button, what looks like a plus. Just press one time again, and you can lower the volume using a volume down button, what looks like a minus, and press it again one time. Now, if you press and hold volume up button, you will play next song. And if you press and hold volume down button, you will play previous song. And again, here we go. And again, advertisement. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by using power button. Just press one time. And also you can reject a call by using power button one time. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!